Hello, everyone, and welcome to Chapter 2 Club's Smart Woman's Guide to Breakups and Everything After. Today, I'm here with Cassie Zampa-Keim, an award-winning relationship expert, author, mentor, dating strategist, and the CEO and founder of Innovative Match. And we're going to be talking about Zoom dating during COVID.
Big one.
Hi, Cassie.
Hi, Malinee. Well, this is exciting. Thank you for having me on the Chapter 2 Club. And this is a big topic.
Yeah.
Okay, COVID, Zooming,
Right.
dating. What are you going to do about it?
What are you supposed to do?
Okay, so first of all, I'm so grateful that we have the technology for Zooming and FaceTiming.
Yes.
It really has, especially during this time, really brought out the opportunity to connect with your loved ones and friends and not feel isolated. And there's many people that do. So it's been a wonderful thing to have. So when you talk about Zooming and COVID, so let me quickly tell you how interesting COVID has been in my industry. Okay, in my industry, it was going very, very fast with online dating and all the dating apps.
Right.
So people were meeting people, really not giving anybody really enough time. I'll give you a quick example. You go on a date with somebody, there's a little bit of a spark. You leave the restaurant, you walk down the street, you look at your dating app and someone better, good looking, or better looking, or whatever it is, comes up, and you all of a sudden you forget about Mark or Mary. Yeah. Right? And you're looking at Peter or Jane, right? Yeah. And so you're not really giving that person a chance. For instance, I've been married 25 years. Okay. My husband would not be the first person that I would pick in a lineup, okay? Yeah. I had to get to know him. But if I had all the noise around me, I don't think I would have given him the time, okay? And then my line of work, I call it the bigger, better deal. Always looking for the bigger, better deal. Yeah. More apps out there, Tinder, Hinge, The League, Bumble, you know, all of those things. So this COVID stopped it, stopped everybody. Yeah. It stopped everything. Yeah. Like just a boom, shut down, right? Okay. People couldn't just go out and just meet somebody quickly. Right. Speed dating stopped. Yeah. So now comes Zooming. Yeah. Okay. So now, instead of going out to meeting somebody and getting in your car and spending the money and getting a babysitter or leaving your work to rush to a date, you can simply have your first date or second or third on Zoom. Yeah. Okay. Right. And it's absolutely fantastic. Yeah. You know, especially it's just time management. It's the fact that you can just get yourself together in your home. Yeah. And
waste up.
Exactly. and having the wine or your tea or whatever you like to have there. The choice, whatever you want, and then you Zoom. The downside of Zooming is some people don't like the way they look. Right. Okay, I can't even tell you how many people, my jowls are down here, I look terrible. Yeah. So Zooming is actually a technique. Yeah. Okay, you have to practice with some friends, but you got to have that computer kind of upright, so you're not like this. And some people are slouching down here, and the lighting's off. If you're going to Zoom, which is great, you got to Zoom right. Yeah. Okay. So finding a great angle, and you actually can do it. Yeah. But Zooming has been a gift on a lot of levels, as I mentioned in the beginning. But with dating, it's so nice to be able to have your first, second, or third date on a Zoom call. And then if you would like to, then go on a social distancing walk. Go get coffee or whatever. But you can take those steps there. So you're not completely shut off.
And there's no pressure to pay. Like, no
pressure to pay. That's a big one, right? So we're all saving some money. Yeah. But the other thing too, is it's allowed people to connect with people in different parts of the country. Right. Maybe you were thinking of moving to LA, or maybe you were thinking of moving to a certain area and you want to just check it out, right? You're single, your kids are grown, or you don't have kids, your career, everyone's working at home pretty much. So you can kind of explore a little bit. It gives you a sense of adventure and fun. Yeah. And don't be afraid to get out there and expand your horizons, think globally, and get on those Zoom calls. And if you don't like the way you look, like I said, practice, because you can get it right. Yeah, you can get it right. Practice. But Zoom, I'm so grateful, and so many people are using Zoom now for their dates. That's awesome. It's absolutely fantastic. I love it. So even in COVID time, we're making connections, because in life, it's all about connecting and finding love.
Totally agree. Thank you so much, Cassie. What great tips we have for our audience today. And we can hope that they'll go to chapter2club.com for more resources, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.